are in Guangzhou International Lighting Fair. Today we will introduce one hot-sale silicone LED strip light. As you see here, can you find where the silicone strip light? Because it is black, it is difficult to find, isn't it? So follow me. Let's turn it on together. Okay, this is for the match for the panel, and also we can use remote control. Can enable according to the remote control, and also we have RGB. So this function can use for the sensor, can use for remote control, and also for RGB. We have the box with all accessories inside. Any interested, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.